All right, I'm in Kansas City, Missouri. I am on a very rough street. I bought this property right here, this big blue one, for 25 grand. You can tell one cool thing, houses in Kansas City are usually sitting up on a hill, because when they went through and built these things, they disturbed the water table and dug in and built basements. They kind of like rolled everything out together. I just talked to my guy, Tyler. He said he made a mistake and put the furnaces in here and stuff like that. So no park, will town. I think he meant tow. One nice thing is we do have gates on this thing, so we can lock this thing down. This is a rental. We're gonna talk to our dude, Juan. ¿Dónde está Juan? Aquí?
Yeah.
One of the calls that Tyler made on this one that I didn't agree with was turning this into a shower. Just felt like, you know what? It's not a good use for a shower. We had like 3 bathrooms in here, and so I didn't think it was a good use. What do we got right here? Do not climb on steps. That's good. Not safe. See? Safety first, guys. All right, yeah. Don't walk out there. So the washing machine should be that way. The vanity and toilet should be that way. Or whatever.
I had them this way.
That's fine. So you had the washing machine over here?
Yeah.
That's fine. Do we have enough space?
I think we were just gonna stack it. There wasn't enough space. And so then I had a toilet right here and vanity right here.
We're not putting a shower in this one?
Pretty tight. I didn't plan on doing it.
Let's go look at this. It needs to be deleted. Let's go look at the whole house. So we got new windows that we didn't put in, which is a benefit. Probably gonna have to change out this oven. Yeah. That should just be a linen closet. This should have been shoe molding, but I think it's gonna look all right.
What's shoe molding?
It's the small stuff that goes on the bottom of regular molding. Just looks like a little half a circle, so that it could be tight. So we got a bedroom here, 1 bedroom, linen closet. Yeah, you need another bathroom, dude. So that one needs, downstairs, that needs to be a full bathroom. Amigo, que tranza? Que hule? Que sangre? Que wey? El Salvador? Honduras?
Honduras.
Guatemala?
Guatemala.
Ella? Guatemala?
Ella.
Chapin? Chapin?
Chapin.
Chapin.
Chapina.
So hey, why not Agnes?
Tomorrow.
I need money. Yo
I need
necesito
money too.
yes.
Look, we talk right now. Look, we have left there 4,500, right?
Oh, you're shaking me down.
No,
Okay.
no. I had to put my guy for hardware finishes. I had to pay those.
I have a hardwood. I have a machine. Yo tengo un machine.
Where?
Aquí.
Oh yeah?
Sí.
Okay, give it to me.
Yeah, no necesito. You can run it.
But
Just-
anyway, I had to spend one week in there. So this is almost 10 for me.
If you get it done, I'll give you a little bit of extra on that one, but you need to hurry up.
Yeah, I don't have that money for pay my crew for the finish floor.
Okay.
So can you pay that?
We can-
and deduce. Yeah, you deduce from
Hey,
there.
listen, we'll have our guy finish the floor. We don't have to worry about it. I have a guy, he can run my machine.
Oh, okay.
That way, I'd rather keep it in the family versus give it to you to give it to some other guy who I don't know, okay?
Okay.
Is that fine? So we'll
Yeah.
take care of the hardwood, that's fine. But I need you to do a favor for me, okay? Can I show you real quick? So we only have this bathroom up here. So we're gonna delete that shower there. See, cuidado.
Leche.
Yeah. Here's what we should do here. Shower, vanity, toilet. Small vanity, pequeña, pedestal. You know why we're doing a pedestal? Right. So if you put a big square box in here, you got no room. Pedestal, he can touch it. Delete.
Oh.
¿Cómo se dice delete?
Quitar, remove.
Quitar, washer dryer, hook up here, right?
Yeah, but here.
Stackable.
The stack is okay. That
We just
works.
need a hookup,
Mhm.
okay?
I will do that.
Shower here. He's gonna pick out the tile and the vanities for you, okay?
Yeah, but I need quickly too.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah, we'll get it ready for you. All you gotta do is text in the square footage, and we have it ready for you at the store. So we're gonna make it easier for you.
Pedestal.
So here's the things. We just walked Benton. The tile is not level. The square little tile. So we're gonna give you big tile this time.
That's better.
Yeah, I know. Okay, but listen. The other thing is when you're doing the light fixtures, none of the old ones. Only new blanco, not like tan or old abuelo. Just like the new on the. You know what I'm talking about for the light fixtures, like blanco,
Oh,
solo blanco.
Only blanco.
Only,
Okay.
Solo blanco.
Only white.
Todo. Solo negro para poles, cabinets, the knobs, todo. See?
Blanco y negro.
Blanco y negro. No brush,
picture.
see, no brush nickel, no rub bronze. It's okay. For shower, for everything. He gonna pick, you say, Tyler, yo necesito 70 square feet of tile for the shower wall.
No, I
You did a good job. It looks good. It looks good.
For me, it's no problem. What kind of stuff you wanna put in your house?
Right.
I don't care. It's cheaper, good, nice,
See,
ugly.
see.
I don't care.
Yeah.
But I'm not clear what you want because I told him, hey, what you want? He made me change the mirror over there. That's good, but I don't.
It's okay. It's okay. We're good. We're good. We're gonna put that one over here. You're gonna turn that part into a closet over there.
This we make it out, right?
I think it looks fine. Hey, the place, Benton, looks amazing. It looks amazing. It would have just looked a lot better if we picked out the tile and the stuff ourselves. It would have looked just a little bit better, you know what I mean?
This house will be more nice for Benton, you know why?
But the area is caca.
Yeah, no good. But because here, all drywall is new.
Yeah.
All of it. Over there, nothing. It's plaster, all of it. It makes sad.
Yeah, I got you. Are you locking this thing up every night?
Yeah.
Are you, with lock?
No, just close, but we don't have lock for that.
Can you get a lock in Cerrado?
I will paint.
Because we have a AC issue right now. So you're fixing this whole thing. We're gonna paint this whole exterior. Just paint it the same color that you painted Benton.
Okay.
We like that. Do you like that color?
Yeah, it's okay.
It's okay?
Yeah.
Or no, paint it the same color that we used on another property. He's gonna give it to you. It's a different blue.
Okay.
A little bit different. Who left this here? Is this Cody?
Yeah, nice.
Oh man.
Come on, dude. Let me just tell him a couple things right now. Cody, you left this trash all over our property, and I can't have anything installed that's not caged up, dude. I can't have that sitting here not caged
That
up.
one's me.
He's taking the blame, but I'm letting you know, personally, don't install them until it's done. So you're gonna be rebuilding this deck right here.
Yeah, I have to fix this.
Just get rid of that. Yeah, just rip this thing out and start over, man.
Change a couple siding, you know.
Yeah, change all this siding. Where's this from? He's putting all these together so to try to make it hard for someone to come in here.
In the bid, it was caged, but I think he just got busy on Saturday.
Maybe one from
Oh, he cages them normally?
I know. I mean, it's a little more expensive, like $100, but I'm like, just do it because I don't got any guys.
Yeah, so he needs to come out here and do it right now. If it gets stolen, it's on him, dude. Like, he can't go and do it, not cage it. Bring everything at the same time. Why would you want to make 2 trips? The security brace is the first thing we got to get installed. Okay, what about this? This is kicking out a little bit.
The what? This one here?
Yeah, can you fix that, dude?
It's a big job, my friend.
Yeah, maybe we just turn this to a rental.
What would you have to do right here?
He's gonna have to rebuild the whole basement potentially.
No, yeah, outside. You have to
Dig it out,
dig it out all here.
Go down?
remove-
Yeah.
Yeah, almost 3
brace the whole house, and then put
Keep-
cinder block, and then go down 18 inches or 24?
18, 24.
18 to 24 inches. And they had to put rebar, and then
River, concrete.
we might be able to fix this though, huh? Let's go look at the basement real quick. It looks like they rebuilt part of this actually, or they mudded it over real good, huh? Yeah, I think it's pretty supported, over supported actually. Bastante.
Really strong right now.
Yeah,
But they not do really leveling the floor upstairs.
they didn't level it.
It has supported, but then the leveling, the
It's
floor leveling,
not excellent.
it's not excellent.
It's like a couple inches off or something, or
Yeah.
quarter
I will
inch.
show you.
Can you fix it?
I can.
Okay, gracias.
Because maybe not, because you know what?
He said he could fix
No,
it.
I cannot.
Yes,
Look.
see, he said he
Hey,
no fixing. All right.
look, yeah, it's big problem right now over there. What I hear is just need connect the kitchen to there,
Okay.
and all the way for the watcher over there.
All right.
But look, let me tell you, you know the watcher and toilet you want over there?
Yeah.
So, el problema,
See.
this is out of the house, afuera de la
Oh,
casa.
yeah.
So, in winter, maybe the pipe will be.
So you got to insulate it good.
Yeah.
Make sure it has
Have to
heat.
cover it under.
Well, no, just tell the HVAC you got to make sure there's heat to go into it.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
To have the heat
They
come
have
from
to
the
put-
floor.
Yeah, right.
We'll have the heat come through the floor. That'll fix the problem. See?
Yeah, right.
Juan, you start on Agnes next week again?
Yes.
I need money, man.
I will.
I know you're here because you need necesito dinero, right?
We close work week today here, right?
Yeah.
So, if you want, we move tomorrow to Agnes.
No, listen, let's make sure we get the furnace caged and we get all the garbage out of here, and then we can go to Agnes.
Okay, I got you.
Put a board on the outside of here so that nobody can open this door. Take that thing down so nobody can climb up to it. So the only point of entry is the front. Put 2 braces and then collapse that deck in the back. You already have the sign out here.
Okay.
So nobody tries to come in and steal okay?
You like
Where
that?
are you buying these cabinets from? Home Depot?
Home Depot.
Yeah, you're
You
doing
like
it.
like that?
Yes. Who cut your granite?
I don't know.
Maynard cut the granite? He's doing good now.
Yeah.
That's my guy.
You guy?
We taught him.
I don't like it.
You don't like him, Julero?
No.
Chapin?
I don't like the job.
Oh, yeah, it's not perfect.
Yeah.
But you know, the price
Yeah, I know.
for the guy to cut the regular granite, they're gonna charge us $2,000. Him, $300, $400, $500.
Yeah, normally I pay with my guy 27.
Yeah, we pay.
But
What did we pay for that?
Really nice, really nice.
$600 for that granite in Benton. 600. It looks good, I think.
Well, yeah.
Not
yeah.
perfect.
No, for the house it's okay.
Right. Exactly. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
It's not 100%, but listen, you're a perfectionist. You want to just leave that shower? Do you already have it plumbed?
It's not yet, it's not ready, but yeah, I not touch right now. I keep it like that. I don't know what you think.
No, I think get rid of it, don't you think?
You want to close it? Well, I remove this. So if you want to keep it like this, for
There's
extra
extra
shower,
there,
it's okay too.
Yeah, I think we just do a closet one.
Okay, I remove it. Well,
Don't be
this-
committed to like nothing. It's got nothing into it. You're committed because it's got sheetrock up there. Just like rip it down. All right, man. So things always go wrong when you're doing flips and stuff like that. Just got to make sure that like, you walk the property, have a good plan of action, and stick to the plan. Contractor's managing the job a little bit too much. We should be managing a little bit more. We got a good relationship with him. We just addressed it, told him, say, hey, this is great. You're working on this. You're doing a great job. But again, this is going to be a rental, probably. The other one's a flip. So I'd like to get my money back versus spending money on the rental right now. I'd rather spend money on the flip right now. Hey, what's up?